Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to do a Victorian hairstyle. First, we will start by brushing the hair. This is important to get out all the knots, of course, but also to help create volume. Of course, the Victorians didn't wash their hair quite as much as us either, so it gets the oils down to the ends of the hair. Next, we are going to section the hair into 3 separate sections, one on either side of the head by the ears, and one at the back. Then we'll take a section of hair right at the crown of our head. We're going to create a bun by twisting the hair and then twisting it around itself. This will be our anchoring bun, where we'll pin all of our hair and eventually our hat. I like to use bobby pins to secure mine, but you can use a hair elastic if that's easier for you. These front sections are going to create all of the volume for our look. You're going to take each piece and back comb it a bit before twirling it up towards the head to create a barrel roll. Secure it in place with 1 or 2 bobby pins and continue along with the rest of your hairline. If you don't have as thick of hair as me or as long, you can create this look by using a rat. That's what Victorian women used to use. It was all of their hair saved from their hairbrush and stuffed into an old sock or a pantyhose. And then you would drape it across your head in a sausage. You can create one by stuffing a sock or pantyhose with cotton. Then you just drape your hair over it to create this look. Once you've finished both sides, you're going to take the front section of your hair and fill in the gap. At this point, I feel like I look like Winifred Sanderson, if anyone knows Hocus Pocus. Pin that section out of the way and smooth your hair to make sure it's what you want to look like. For the back of the head, we're going to section this into 3 sections again. We're going to take the middle section, twist it around itself, and then loop it up and around the bun. If you have shorter hair, you could use this hair to just pin it to the base of the bun instead of wrapping around. Then take each of your side sections and separate those into 2 separate sections. Twist the hair and drape it up and around your bun. Do the same on the other side. Twist and wrap. At this point, I just checked around my head to see if I had any loose ends and took the time to tuck those in. These front sections are going to be used to create some different texture. I'm going to take each of them and make little braids. The Victorians loved extravagant looks, so the more textures you can use in your hair, the better. Once you reach the bottom, take that braid and put it up and over your bun once more. And do the same on the other side. Victorians could have created this look by buying swatches at the general store. A swatch was a section of someone else's hair that you could pin into your hair. Many poor ladies would sell their hair for money, and the rich would buy them. Once you have all of your hair tucked away, just take a few pieces and soften it around your face near the ears, and smooth away any flyaways or frizzies. If you need to pin any other pieces, you can do that as well. The last step is to put on your favorite hat. I have a rather plain hat today, but it will do the job nicely. Take your hat pin and place it through the anchoring bun. And there you go. That's the finished look. If you try this yourself, tag us on Instagram at Fort Steele Heritage Town. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye!